Hi, today we are going to discuss about the power quality analyzer Hioki Make. The model number is PQ3198. This instrument have 0.1% throughout the accuracy, and this is class A instrument. The people use this product for the energy measurement and power quality parameters. Like wherever the application is, like people go for the power variety of quality power, like from the solar panels, variety of quality of power supplied by the EV chargers, and investigation of power supply by the abnormal noise. So since this instrument has a class A instrument and 0.1% accuracy, so people will use for better, they will use for the power quality measurement parameters. Here we have input, like you can see here there is a 4 inputs. One is DC and 3 is AC input. So you can measure 3 input AC and 1 is DC output. So you will get AC DC combination here. So like if you are connecting motor measurement like efficiency, so there you can connect 3 input AC and output side DC. So you will get the efficiency between them. So now we will move to the wiring. Here there is only 4 main switch: system, time plot, view and events. Now we will move to the system. In system, if you see, there is a wiring for single phase 2 wire, wiring, current sensor, VT ratio and CT ratio you can select. If you go for the wiring, there will be a single phase to 3 phase 4 wire option will be there. So you can select all the wiring, depends on the application, and you can select the voltage and current range, depends on the CT. We have variety of CT here, like depends on the accuracy. You can go for the CT model number, and this CT have 600 amps range. Model number is CT 7136. This is only for the AC current. We have AC DC also, both we can use. So this is for the current measurement. You can see on display, you can measure the vector, you can get the vector angle also, and depends on the channel wise, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, you can set voltage, current and power. So once you go to the wiring, see here wiring, the option will be there. You can select current sensor model number, voltage, VT ratio, current range, CT ratio, frequency you can select like 50, 60, depends on your application. There is a recording option, so you can record, because we have memory card that you can record all the parameters. More than 500 parameter, electrical parameter you can measure over here. So once you, now you move to the event first. Like here you can see the fourth point is events. So like here you can frequency, wave, swell, dip, interruption, transient also. So the main parameter while measuring the any power quality measurement, the transient is more important. So you can set the transient while 200 milliseconds, microseconds also. You can, if any spike will occur in between, there you can measure. This instrument have capability to record the transient between like 1 to 1 minute or in 1 to 100 milliseconds. If any spike will occur, it will automatically record that spike in that memory card. And future we have software, there you can analyze all the parameters. We have total harmonic also, like 0 to 58th harmonic. Now we move to the events. I told you there are events. The events, we have voltage 1, voltage 2, again wave. We can see the wave of the voltage, waveform. Now we will see event 2. Here you can set inverse current, RMS, waveform peak, DC change, TSD, harmonic, I elements, negative, unbalanced current, zero sequence unbalanced, K factor. These all parameters you will get in this instrument. We have option for the harmonics 0 to 58 numeric harmonics. We'll get the graph over here. You can depends on the requirement, we will minimize this like 0 to 25 harmonic. Like if you're looking for the only third and 7th and 11th harmonic, you can select that parameter. We can save that parameter in our software. Now we move to the power factors: active power, reactive power, apparent power, power factor. These are the parameters we will save in our software while doing measurement. Now I move to time plot. So here you can set what voltage, voltage RMS channel 1 or channel 2, channel 3, you can select anyone and we can measure over here. Now we move to the view. Once you've done all this, real time view you can do for the time plot. Entire parameter will record in this, and once you record this, we have software. Either you can record through the software, either for second option, like we have all the parameters, you can record your memory card, then all the data import from the memory card to your PC. And we have software. There is two software in our Hioki. I'll just show that software how it looks. Once you see here, this is the Janak Cross software. Once you connect this software to your instrument, you can control this instrument through PC. Either you can log all data in your PC. Once you connect, the software will look like this. You will get the parameter, what parameter you have to save. You can select that parameters. You will get the waveform, the voltage, and all the whatever the parameter you want to log, will get it over here in Excel sheet. So whatever we want to save the parameter, we can save in the software, and after recording in the instrument or software, we can create a report through the software. There is, you can mention your company name, your title and application. Depends on your application, you can create a report and you give it to the customer. So these are the details about these products. This is very good for the energy measurement, and this is very good for the maintenance side, like power quality department. So there you can use this. Thank you.